Good morning students, welcome back to TSN class 7 science session. So we have talked till now, we have talked about forest which is our lifeline, then we have talked about interconnection, herbivorous, carnivorous, food chain and so on, and then we have talked about the things which we use in our daily life is also the raw material from it. If it is not directly from the forest, the raw material is from forest. So we are at page number 112 today, and we will talk here about Professor Ahmed asked children to pick up leaves from the forest floor and observe them under a hand lens. What Professor Ahmed has asked children to pick up few leaves from the forest and observe them under a hand lens. They will observe it under a hand lens. They found tiny mushrooms over the decaying leaves. They also saw an army of tiny insects, millipedes, ants and beetle on them. What they have seen is, they have seen few tiny mushrooms on the dead leaves. जो गिरी हुई, जो खराब हुई हुई लीव्स थी, उनके ऊपर क्या था, मशरूम्स उगने लग गए थे. दे हैव सीन फ्यू insects also, like they have also seen some worms, millipedes, ants and beetles on them. They also saw they were wondered how these organisms live there. So we know that we live in a very clean environment, we take food from plants and so on, but how these microorganisms, these mushrooms are dependent and how they live on these dead and decaying matter. Professor Ahmed explained that apart from these animals which are easily seen, there are several organisms and microorganisms that live in the soil. What Professor Ahmed has said is, Professor Ahmed has explained that there are so many organisms which are so small that we can't even see from our normal eyes. So there are many microorganisms. Micro in the sense, what is micro, students? This word micro explains that micro is a very small term for small organism, very tiny organisms. So microorganisms are there which live in the soil. Paheli wondered what mushroom and other living organism eat. So students were very curious. Students are like you. They are very curious. They asked that we consume food from plants, but how these organisms will consume food? How they will get food? How these mushrooms and microorganisms will get food? Professor Ahmed replied that they feed upon the dead plants and animal tissues and convert them into a dark colored substance called as humus. Students, if you have an idea about humus, जो मॉइस्चरस सब्सटेंस होता है, जैसे आप कभी कोई मिट्टी को पानी में घोल देंगे, मिला देंगे, when we will mix the soil in the water, what will happen? There are few things which float on the water. Every soil particle is being settled down, but something is there on the level of the water, which is humus. Humus is some moisturous content which is there in the soil, which is being provided. कैसे बनता है ये humus? The dead and the decaying animals tissues are been converted. मैंने बोला था ना, जो कॉम्प्लेक्स ऑर्गेनिक मटेरियल है उसको सिंपल ऑर्गेनिक मटेरियल में कन्वर्ट करने का काम करते हैं ये माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स. तो ये क्या करते हैं, जो प्लांट के डेड पार्ट हो गए, एनिमल्स के कुछ ऐसे टिश्यूज हो गए, उनके कुछ पार्ट हो गए, उनके ऊपर एक्ट करते हैं, फिर उसको नॉर्मल ह्यूमस एक डार्क कलर के सब्सटेंस में कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं, विच इज कॉल्ड ह्यूमस. एंड you will feel blundered that this humus provide the nutrition to the soil and ultimately to the plants, and which we eat. The plant part which we eat are being nourished by this humus. You have learned about humus in chapter 9. In which layers of soil would you find humus? What is it? It's important to the soil. We have talked about chapter 9, in chapter 9 soil and all. So we have talked about few layers, and the first layer is called humus. And what this humus is important to the soil? This provides the nourishment to the soil, and this is why this humus is very important. The microorganism which convert the dead plants and animals to humus is known as decomposers. Those organisms, those microorganisms which convert the dead plant and animal to humus are called decomposers. I have told you there are herbivorous, carnivorous and decomposers. These are the three components of earth or the ecosystem. So we are here students decomposers and humus. These microorganisms play an important role in the forest. Soon, Paheli removed some dead leaves and discovered under them a layer of humus on forest floor. So microorganisms play a very important role in forest to provide the nutrition. The plants will take all the nutrition from the soil. Okay, we know that plant take all the nutrition from the soil. So how this nutrition is being covered or refilled or refreshed in the soil? These are being refreshed by these microorganisms or decomposers or saprophytes, which will convert the plant or animal part ultimately into complex to simpler form, which is known as humus, and this humus enhance the nourishment of the soil. Okay, so what Paheli have done, Paheli have removed these layers of dead and decayed matter, and what they have found under this is the humus or black content. as जैसे ही वो लीव्स रहती हैं और जो माइक्रोऑर्गेनिजम्स है वो लीव्स को कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं, ह्यूमस में कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं, तो वो ह्यूमस क्या होता है, उन्हीं लीव्स के नीचे लेयर बिछी हुई रहती है, तो वही पहेली ने उसे ढूंढ निकाला. The presence of human enhances that the nutrition of the dead plant and animal are released into the soil. जो ह्यूमस होता है वही ये चीज़ इंश्योर करता है, इट इंश्योर्स दैट the nourishment which is being sucked by the plants are being refreshed or reprovided. Okay, so nourishment of soil is a wholesome work of these decomposers only. From there these nutrition are again absorbed by the roots of the plant. So जो नरिशमेंट, जो फ्रूट्स हम लोग खा रहे हैं, हमारी बॉडी जिससे बन रही है, वही बॉडी का पार्ट वापस सॉइल में चला जाता है. जैसे अगर आपने सुना हो माँ बाप को कहते हुए, किसी बड़ों को कहते हुए कि हम मिट्टी से ही आए हैं, मिट्टी में ही तो जाना है. दिस इज द रियली अ स्टेटमेंट विच डिफाइंस दिस, कि मिट्टी से ही हम लोग नरिशमेंट ले रहे हैं और हमारा जो नरिशमेंट जो हम खा रहे हैं वो हमारी बॉडी में लग रहा है, वही नरिशमेंट वापस से सॉइल में जाता है. This is the whole cycle which balances the ecosystem or the nourishment system of ecosystem. What happens if an animal dies in the forest? So students, we all know that we die, organisms die, animals die. But when these organisms die, what will happen? What will happen to their body parts? What will happen to the things, the hairs, the nails and the body part, the muscles and everything? शीला ने ये क्वेश्चन पूछा. टीबू रिप्लाइड द डेड एनिमल बिकम फूड फॉर वल्चर्स, क्रोज, जैक्स एंड इंसेक्ट्स. तो टीबू जो बच्चा था उसने ये चीज़ रिप्लाई कर दी कि ये फूड है किसके लिए, जो चील होते हैं, बाज होते हैं, जो ईगल्स होती हैं, जो वल्चर्स होते हैं, जो छोटे छोटे और माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स होते हैं, कीड़े मकोड़े होते हैं, उनके लिए ये जो डेड एनिमल्स होते हैं या डेड प्लांट्स होते हैं वही उनके लिए क्या कहलाते हैं, फूड कहलाते हैं. इन दिस वे द न्यूट्रिशन आर cycled, so nothing goes waste in the forest. So when we have a circle, when we have whole this chain, then nothing is being wasted, everything is being consumed and is being utilized ultimately and given to the environment. The things which we take from environment, we have to return back to the environment. So students, till now we have talked about this, and in the next session we'll discuss the right side of this page, that is 212th page, right hand side, what Paheli have said and so on, which is then we will talk about balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide. And students, ultimately I want to say that forest is very important for us and we have to prevent it. Okay, so in the next session we'll discuss more. Till then I'll be sending you few notes and question answers. Do it in your copy and I'll be checking your copy. Till then, take care students, have a nice day. Thank you.